Yes, yes, yes. Bright and early. We in a Port Antonio again, you know. So you know, with the at the place, with our Bunbrook Road, you know, West Street with the pan, you know. So here we are going now with the the Bunbrook area on the West Street Avenue, yes, West Street area you call it. All right. Now we have got Dapper Place. All right. We have got Dapper Place because you know the small businessman and them we are dealing with. All right. Yeah. So entrepreneur Dapper.
Yeah. Great Dapperado.
Great Dapperado. Great goalkeeper, everybody gonna know him.
Yeah.
And you know, a Pat Batam kitchen I take it to the world. See him right there, Dapper, talk to me and talk to the camera.
Yeah.
Because you know it's the Festa season.
Some nice
where you are on there?
sorrel juice.
Sorrel juice. Talk to me. What do you have in your thing there? Sorrel, ginger.
Corn pork and ackee they on fire right now.
Corn pork and ackee they on fire. Alright. Beautiful. And this is the spot, just at the spot where we come and do your thing, right?
Yeah, on the Fridays
lunch.
And Saturday and Friday.
Hey, pardon, make sure you have festival today.
Listen, make that official. Bossman, make that official. Friday and Saturday.
Fridays and Saturday. Dapperado they right here.
Dapperado they right here, so Friday and Saturday.
We're ready for you anytime.
So here we are going now. Dapper, talk to me. Christmas Day now. Yeah. We are going for the Christmas Day.
Christmas
what is on the menu? Talk to me.
Christmas me have curry corn.
Look on the camera and tell them.
We have curry lobster.
Yes.
We have escovitch fish, roast fish.
Right.
Jerk chicken, haggard.
And what for drink? All in the igloo?
All in the igloo. We have special drinks.
Alright.
Natural.
See me?
You understand?
Alright. Alright.
Ginger beer.
So who you want big up from yourself now? Because Christmas holiday.
Big up all Rogo and them man there, you know,
yes.
You don't know them are my customers too and all the taxi man them.
Alright.
Them good. Come here, you see it?
Merry Christmas,
all
Happy New Year.
By. Remember me tell you, all of my customers them, I love them.
Alright.
You understand?
All the best of the season.
All the best for Christmas.
Alright.
We have some corn pork and ackee.
What the corn pork ackee? Let me see corn pork ackee. Watered soup, what meat?
Watered soup.
Yes,
nice.
And we serve Pat Batam place.
And so we have some nice food in our show.
And we have
that's like the corn pork.
Corn pork.
Yeah.
Dapper place.
And look for the jerk.
Dapper have it all, you know, you up and now. We can't go without the pan. See we have it on the pan and a Dapper place with the jerk chicken.
Nice jerk chicken.
Beautiful. And here we go. Agate, hold it. And it's an agate. And what we say with it?
Dapperado spot.
Dapperado spot, alright.
Never change.
Place. And as we go go along.
Right round. Let me show some nice fish for me up.
Alright, nice. That's what fish do, you know. So you can order fish to order.
Yeah, fish to order. Some nice paratha.
Alright, here we go.
Them there. Nice fish. Nice fish. Ready
as we said, Jamaica people, here we are promote the small business people for the Christmas holiday, and this is what I have to do for my community, so I'm doing it. I'm sorry, but that's how it is. Alright, nice. And that's Dapper place, alright?
Yeah, so every Friday.
Okay, I'm going to tell you what I want, yes.
Dapperado spot, if you need a special order, call Dapperado.
Number?
825-5616. Call Dapperado and can jerk any amount of chicken for no Christmas. Or do anything we don't want for no Christmas. Just call Dapperado and fix it now.
You got it right.
My
here we go.
Sir.
Bless up. And we are out. Pat Batam kitchen.
Christmas. Happy New Year when it comes. Right here, I'm going to be open on the 24th. Right here, sir.
Alright. Grand Market.
Grand Market.
Alright, beautiful.
Not the Friday this time. Thursday I'm going to be ready and waiting for us.
And Pat Batam kitchen taking to them. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, now we are in Anchovy Gardens, yes? Yeah. And we have Mr. Brian Place. I know the jerk pan. See jerk pan there? Today Friday. By 5 o'clock we're up and running with some chicken, yeah? Yeah, man. So here we are now. Here we are going now. Mr. Brian, I'm in place and I want. Mr. B.
Yeah, we're in there in the bar.
We are going now. Here we are now. We want to know what on the Christmas menu, you know? Because you know you're a Christmas man already and the family, everybody. Oh. What's on the Christmas menu, man? Talk to me.
Some jerk chicken.
Look on the camera and tell me.
Oh, sorry, bossy. Some jerk chicken and jerk pork.
Jerk chicken and jerk pork.
And baked chicken.
Right.
And rice and peas and vegetables.
What? That's what you think there?
That's what I'm saying.
What about for drink?
And we are going to have some champagne. I don't get too white wine or what. I don't know.
That's over there.
Understand?
Alright, Mr.
B. Then you want some syrup on the base.
Want syrup on the base?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we are going now.
I mean, a special chicken for jerk, you know.
Some special on the menu this time?
Yeah, I mean, a special chicken.
Okay. Look on the camera and tell me what kind of special chicken you have.
Yeah, one put on a jerk chicken with some barbecue and them something with it.
Oh, you want the barbecue chicken?
Barbecue chicken.
Jerk. Oh, okay, cool. Jerk style. All right,
Right,
good.
new style.
All right, all right.
With some pineapple around it and them something there.
All right.
Special something more
now,
for this
now
year.
you're talking.
You understand?
Anybody abroad you want to send greetings to? Christmas time, tell me. Anybody?
Greetings to my loving daughter Trisha.
All right.
Family all over.
How about Jamaica? Who are Jamaica now?
Family in
anybody, man. Greetings to anybody. Everybody.
Oh, greetings to my family in Jamaica.
All
my
right.
brother, my sisters in Jamaica, my niece, my nephew, coming from Mr. Brian, Leonard Brian.
Yes, sir.
Straight. From
Skeleton Road.
Greetings. Christmas greetings to everybody.
Thank you, Mr. D. All right, now you remember the pudding Miss Margaret Jamaican pudding give you, and now her son decided to do the pudding business. So this is a Carly place. Carly little, showcase this where he make pudding, he make fritters, he make all the little things for the kids and if you ever work around the corner, come and buy a snack. And so you think that Miss Margaret pass and gone. Yeah man, but Carly I take over the business now. So that's how you think set up. Yeah man.